Hi, I am Lazy. Welcome to my channel, made specifically for busy people. Some years ago, I had the dream of learning to speak Japanese. I would start using language apps, doing flashcards, memorizing words, but after a while, life would get in the way and I would fall off the wagon. So I developed a program to learn Japanese without having to dedicate time strictly to learning. With the LazyLang Get Fluent in a Year program, you can simply slip on your headphones, hit play, and let the magic happen. No need to dedicate extra time to studying. Just listen as you go about your daily routine. You can listen to it while at the gym, while you're cooking or eating, during classes, while waiting in line, or while taking a shower. Just kidding. Sloths don't take showers. Before you know it, you'll be watching anime and understanding every word without reading the subtitles. Throughout the program, you will learn words according to the usefulness index. This means that the words are very common words that you will encounter most often in daily conversation or media. This will give you basic fluency. At this level, you will be able to find a way to say anything you want to, but probably you won't be giving any speeches about world politics. This vocabulary corresponds with JLPT levels N3 and N2. The program does not teach grammar rules because they are useless. If native speakers don't need to know grammar rules to speak their language, neither should you. You will learn proper grammar by listening to words in context. I hope that you will join me in this journey. Subscribe to learn Japanese the lazy way.